Gravedigger Spin Master Monster Jam Series 10. The trucks that are in Series 10, we have Gravedigger, Soldier Fortune, then Monster Poodle, El Toro Loco, Scooby-Doo, Stone Crusher, Queen Bee, and Brodozer. But yes, this is the chase truck for this series. I have never been able to find a chase truck before. If you've seen my other trucks from Series 10, they were all bought at the same Walmart as this one, as Gravedigger. And then I found, bam, yes, 2 ride trucks of Gravedigger at the same Walmart. So I was really thrilled about it. So let's go ahead and unbox the Gravedigger ride truck. Here we go. There's the Gravedigger wristband. Gravedigger. And it also has a little bit more detail on the wristband for Gravedigger. Hopefully you'll be able to get one for yourself. It has the flotation tires, which are very cool. And this is on a different chassis, as you can probably tell. Probably to look like, you know, the ride trucks. The side of Gravedigger. And here's the front. And the other side of Gravedigger, the ride truck. The driver driving, well, I don't think there's people in there. It's empty seats. Here's the back. So you can see inside the ride truck, the seats. There's roll cage safety for the people riding. Then we have Gravedigger there up top. Thank you for tuning in to this unboxing of the Gravedigger ride truck.